Hello everybody, I'm Tater, and this is Pluto. Today I will be reviewing my top 5 favorite rides at Walt Disney World. Starting at number 5 is Test Track, presented by Chevrolet. It is located in Epcot at Walt Disney World. It is a vehicle design simulator where you get to create your own design and it gets compared to other guest vehicle designs. As you go through the ride, your vehicle is tested on 4 different categories: capability, efficiency, responsiveness, and power. During the power portion of the ride vehicle reaches 64.9 miles per hour, making it the fastest ride not only at Walt Disney World, but at every Disney park in the world. The ride vehicle is a sim car, shaped like a real car, that carries you throughout a simulated vehicle testing facility. The sim car holds 6 riders. My favorite part of the ride is the power test. The ride vehicle exits the building and accelerates to 64.9 miles per hour. Immediately after you exit the building for the power test, be prepared, as this is where the ride photo is taken. Be sure to tap your photo at the end of the ride, as it is currently isn't automatically linked to your photo pass. After you exit the ride, you can see how your designs compare to other designs of the day. There are also many other things to do in the exit building. There are interactive tracks where you can drive and race your car against other riders. You can also make an advertisement for your car. You can also take your photo in front of real cars that Chevrolet has designed now, and you can take your time and design a new car. And Test Track also offers a single rider option. It makes the line a lot faster, but you get separated from your party. So if you don't mind that, I recommend doing the single rider option. This ride is a definitely must-do while at Disney's Epcot. Unfortunately, this ride does not sell French fries. Next up, at number 4, is Expedition Everest, Legend of the Forbidden Mountain, located in Disney's Animal Kingdom at Walt Disney World Resort. Expedition Everest is a steel roller coaster centered around the Yeti protecting the Forbidden Mountain. It is also the tallest roller coaster at Disney theme park. When you are riding the ride, you run into a giant Yeti that is ripping up the tracks, and your only escape is to go backwards. Yes, a backwards roller coaster. So don't say I didn't warn you. This ride also features a ride photo as the ride vehicle returns to forward motion and exits the mountain. This also happens to be my favorite part of the ride. For those of you looking for hidden Mickeys, the Everest mountain and track actually makes a giant hidden Mickey when viewed from above. Be sure to scan your ride photo as you exit the ride before you enter the gift shop. There are also no fries sold at this ride, sadly. Right in the middle at number 3 is Big Thunder Mountain Railroad in Walt Disney World's Magic Kingdom, located in Frontierland. You will find the wildest ride in the wilderness at Frontierland. Big Thunder Mountain Railroad is a mine train roller coaster based around a small mining town. The ride queue contains many interactive items of mixed functionality, including the ability to set off dynamite for current passengers of the coaster. When you begin the ride, make sure to keep watch for there is a lot to see. If you are lucky, you may even see one of the Walt Disney World steam trains going by. The ride is a bumpy, jostling coaster that takes you through the wilderness, including places such as caves, towns, and even dinosaur bones. It is even rumored that this ride can help dislodge kidney stones, saving countless medical expenses. My favorite part of the ride is the giant downward spiral. This ride does not have a ride photo, but there's often a photo pass photographer near the exit. While this ride does not sell fries, While in line, you are able to purchase popcorn, drinks, and other snacks if the line is long enough. This ride also includes a hidden Mickey, a hidden Tinkerbell, but they are often overgrown with vegetation. If you find them, let me know in the comments below. Coming in a strong second at number 2 is Star Wars: Rise of the Resistance. The attraction is located in Galaxy's Edge, otherwise known as Batuu. Rise of the Resistance is a combined trackless dark ride, walkthrough, motion simulator, and drop ride system that puts guests in the middle of a battle between the Resistance and the First Order led by Kylo Ren. Please don't call Kylo Ren Darth Vader. That is his grandpa. Rise of the Resistance is one of the most complex and advanced attractions designed by Walt Disney World Imagineering. So it goes down quite often. I suggest you get this done early as possible. This ride has immersive interaction with the cast members while on the Star Destroyer. The First Order's officers may interrogate you. I've seen them cancel more than one birthday before. My favorite part of the ride is the escape pod launch. Surprisingly, with all the technology in the ride, it does not have a ride photo. However, there are great photo opportunities while at Galaxy's Edge. This ride does not offer French fries. Actually, I don't know if French fries exist in a galaxy far, far away, to be truthful. Finally, my number 1 favorite ride in all of Walt Disney World, which can be found at Epcot, is Grand Fiesta Tour, starring the 3 Caballeros. It is a musical boat ride. Just kidding. My number 1 favorite ride in all of Walt Disney World is Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind. This enclosed backwards launch roller coaster is located at Walt Disney World's Epcot in the Wonders of Xandar Pavilion. During the interactive pre-show, you are teleported to a Nova Corps ship orbiting above the Earth. An emergency happens, forcing you to evacuate, and that is when the fun starts. During the ride, the ride vehicles are able to spin on their axles to simulate the sensation of space travel. This ride does have a ride photo that is automatically linked to your Disney Photo Pass. This ride soundtrack is a rotating selection of 6 songs, including Everybody Wants to Rule the World by Tears for Fears, Conga by Gloria Estefan, I Ran So Far Away by A Flock of Seagulls, Disco Inferno by The Tramps, One Way or Another by Blondie, and September by Earth, Wind, and Fire. There is a holiday overlay song during the holiday season. Currently, as the beginning of 2023, this ride is only available with a virtual queue or individual Lightning Lane purchase. So be sure to plan ahead to get to ride this attraction. The ride also does not have French fries, but Drax does mention cake during the pre-show. This concludes my top 5 Walt Disney World rides. Let me know in the comments if you agree, and let me know on how you like these rides. Also, let me know what you want a video on next. Please like and subscribe if you like my videos. Bye for now, and see you real soon.
It is about time. Have you not been paying attention? Velveteen, link your Star Blasters.